Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's tutorial will be more on your marketing side or business side. It's about how to create a wonderful promo backgrounds in Canva. So first of all, we go to templates and maybe a product promo. So here we can find a lot of promo backgrounds here. We can see, right? So maybe we can just check for the best one. Product promo background here. Maybe we can select which one suits your business. So, for example, your business is beauty products. We can select this one. Just press customize this template. So here we can change and animate the backgrounds as well, the images. There we go. As well as this image as well, and you can change this to whatever brand you have. Let's say Yugo. Your beauty. Or there we go. We can put some edit or changes here, extend, and maybe add more elements to the product. Let's say beauty products. So we just add more beauty products here. So we can do maybe this one. Then just remove the background. Here we go. Move this as a side. This and this. We can put it here. There we go. And make maybe this band bigger. Then this one we can just remove this since if we only need a background here. So put this in the middle. The products here. There we go. Putting it here. Then I'm moving this one here. So afterwards, we can just put some animations. So we can just press all of this and put a animate here. So pan. There we go. We have our very own product background. Then just share and save it as MP4. So that's how easy it is to create a promo background in Canva. Once again, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips and tricks.